Hi there, my name is Anna Dolopo. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and I'm also board certified. I've been in practice since 1999. You can find my work at Elements in Harmony, Acupuncture.com. I've been doing quite a few videos on anxiety recently, and I thought I'd do some on depression because there are some cases coming in where people come in for pain, anxiety, other things, but they mention in their little survey, their health survey, how much depression they've been dealing with. And some people have lost loved ones over the last few years due to COVID, or life just isn't going the way they want to, and they feel anxious, feel stressed out. And I think it's been a few years since I made some specifically on depression. So I thought I would just go on my Yelp and read some of the testimonials there. There are some on my website as well, but they're also from my old YouTube channel. So thank you for visiting me here on my new YouTube channel. Depression is something that I know very much about. I healed from it over 2 decades. I had some pretty moderate to severe depression, and I won't get into it here in this video, but I can say that I graduated from those mental health issues: anxiety, stress, depression, and I live life with bright red, rosy glasses. And it does take work to focus on ourselves and to constantly work on personal development and look at the glass half full. It's I know what COVID did to many teenagers. My daughter is 18 today. She had dealt with some severe depression during that time where she had to be indoors, and we did everything we could to keep her alive and keep her healthy and happy, and we're grateful that we're over that hump, and we're constantly working on making sure that our children feel happy, authentically happy. So anyways, 196 Yelp reviews are showing. I have over 276. I don't pay Yelp, so all of those that you see on my website at elementsinharmony.com, elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, are authentic. So I'll go ahead and read some, and I'll read like at least 3, and then I'll discuss them. So these are just random ones that I picked out. One was from Juliana. Anna worked miracles on both my husband and me. My midwife highly recommended her in my early pregnancy because of my all-day morning sickness and utter exhaustion, and I continued to see her weekly to help with depression, anxiety, back pain, and other pregnancy-related issues. She also helped me keep my blood pressure in check in those last weeks so that I can go on to have the home birth I wanted. I haven't been back in since having my baby girl, but to be honest, I haven't needed to because the back pain, anxiety, and depression haven't come back. After my husband saw my great results, he started to give it a try for the back pain he had struggled with for 10 plus years. Needless to say, she worked her magic on him as well, and after just 6 or 7 treatments, his back no longer hurts. I'm actually looking forward to getting pregnant again because I know that Anna will keep me feeling good throughout. That's a very special testimonial for me because she not only talks about her mental health issues she was going through, she was talking about the pregnancy related issues, her husband's back pain. The number one thing that I treat for men is lower back pain. I have 3 children. My daughter is 18 today, and 11 and 4. And I know what it's like to have pregnancy related issues. My first child, I had nausea for 5 months. I didn't treat myself. I was licensed in 1999. She was delivered in May 2004. I did not feel confident to treat myself. I was such a young practitioner. And a great midwife, Lindsay Milas, you can go see her at ocmidwifery.com. And she has a fantastic Instagram page. She posts a lot on her births that she gives, home births. And I helped her during her testimonial is actually on my website for her home birth after cesarean. So we have a very close relationship. I've known her for 19 years now. I trust her immensely when it comes to delivering babies naturally at home. So with Angeline, I was nauseous for 5 months. With Anais, I was nauseous for 2.5 weeks because I treated myself. for pregnancy care. And with Tommy, I was 43 years old. I didn't know I was pregnant. I was nauseous for 5 days. As soon as I took the pregnancy test, I treated myself and I was not nauseous at all during the entire pregnancy. So that testimonial by Juliana is very special to me because you can see her talking about mental health issues and physical ailments and her husband's back pain and some other stuff. So that's such a special story to share. So I do hope you heard that and how much we were able to help her with pregnancy care especially. This one's by Rebecca. These are all 5-star reviews. I have been dealing with some severe back problems for the last few years. Unfortunately, doctors told me I would have to go to surgery. I would have to have surgery. And chiropractors just looked at me and shook their head, saying that they didn't know if there was anything that they can do. Then I talked to Anna from the beginning. She was ready and willing to help. I have seen her 3 times in the last 2 weeks and have already had a lot of improvement. On top of my back problems, I have been very depressed and have gained a lot of weight. Just in the short time I've known Anna, my back started feeling better. My depression isn't as bad. I feel my clothes getting a little more loose. Sweet, humble Anna says it is the medicine, but I think it is also what she brings to the table. I would recommend Anna to anyone who is interested in acupuncture. She is an angel who brings hope and healing to everyone that she meets. Sincerely, Rebecca. So I love treating lower back pain. I love treating migraines. I love treating any kind of physical ailments. Mental health can be a little tricky just because I need people to actually show up, because sometimes with anxiety and depression, it can be so paralyzing that in the beginning it's hard to show up. But when they do, they feel so amazing. And so that's why you'll see the testimonial saying, I came in for this, but they noticed that while they were here, they were feeling emotionally happier. They were feeling physically more energized. And they just felt like if they show up, I will make them feel amazing. And that's what I love most about my work. It's been 23 years. I love the fact that I can, have that oftentimes instant gratification with patients just feeling like $100 million. It is the best feeling. And it's the best feeling as a practitioner, seeing people have a transformation right in front of my eyes and seeing them mature. And I mean, these are adults, but the anguish that they have physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually just melt away. And it's not just like you're just lying down. They're actually healing. And so I love that testimonial. I love that she mentioned the back pain. And then also these, she talked about weight gain. For us women, we don't like to gain weight inexplicably. We don't like that feeling of heaviness. We don't like that feeling of, I don't have control over my weight. So I'm glad that she shared that testimonial. I hope you got something out of it. So if you're dealing with back pain, anxiety, depression, and some weight issues, and just not feeling like you're at your best, you might want to consider acupuncture. I'm going to read one more testimonial regarding depression. Let's see. Actually, I'll read these 2. One is short and one is long, and then we can go from there. Amber said, Anna is the best acupuncturist. I have been to 4 and she is my favorite. I have gone to her for 9 years and she has helped me with everything from not being able to sleep to adjusting my tailbone after a fall, something chiropractors can't do, to fixing my harsh jet lag after India, to helping me get my appetite back when I struggled with depression, to resetting my hormones and fully reliving my PMS. She is my one-stop holistic shop. Thank you for all the work you have done for me over the years and keeping me in one place. I love that testimonial, short and sweet, but very powerful, very impactful. And if you listen to it, you can see that we took care of a lot of things. And she wrote that testimonial 9 years into working with me. So I feel very happy about that. This testimonial, I actually did a video many years ago on, and I thought I would reiterate it just in case you didn't see that testimonial. Samira wrote, 5 stars. I don't know why I waited this long to write a review for Miss Anna and her wonderful work, but I'm here now writing about the work she does and how it truly does work. I know many are skeptic of Eastern medicine, including acupuncture and herbs, but if you're reading this because you want to try something different for your ailments, you need to try acupuncture with Anna. I originally came to Anna a few years back to help me with my anxiety and depression issues. I have been on medicine, but it was not fully helping me be happy and get the things done in the day I needed to. Anna was my last resort because of the endless medicines and doctors I was trying. I immediately felt the zen, if you would, when I walked into her office. She made me feel very comfortable about being there, and I did a full survey about what I was going through, what I was going to be treated for, history, and my goals. Anna refers to the sheet and your goals every time you go see her. My anxiety and depression felt better in a few short weeks. I was ready to get started on more problems I was experiencing. Through the years, Anna has helped me with my general anxiety, depression, getting my menstrual periods on a regular schedule, body aches, and headaches and migraines. You don't even need a specific problem to see her. You can go have a quiet, relaxing time out of your hectic schedule or just to get a general pick-me-up. The amount of sessions you need depends how often you depend on what you're going in for, and the pricing has been very affordable when compared to local acupuncture businesses. I have found my guardian angel on earth, and I would not trade seeing Anna for anyone else. She is highly recommended as an Eastern medicine practitioner, guru, and becomes a true friend. Thank you, Anna, for all your hard work and making my life that much better. So I've read 4. I meant to read 3, but this video is specifically on depression, and obviously they mention other things, anxiety, physical health issues, women's health issues. So hopefully that will convince you that acupuncture is a powerful modality, a medical tool that can help you with the anguish that you're feeling. This is my 23rd year in practice, and I am fully convinced that people do not have to suffer. Try your local acupuncturist. If you're here in Orange County or anywhere in Southern California and you want to come see the style that I do, I treat with Dr. Tan's balance method. And you can check out my work at elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com. Just text me at 619-341-4341, or you can call me. My office landline is 949-305-1703. I practice in beautiful Laguna Hills in Orange County, right in the center, right off the 5 freeway, right off Lake Forest. So I'm here typically 6 days a week. I'm here all day Monday, Tuesdays in the mornings, Wednesday evening, Thursday all day until 5, and Friday afternoon into the evening, and Saturday typically all day. Those hours are subject to change only because I have 3 kids, and sometimes I have to do things that I have to do things for them that I just can't be here in the office. All right, take care. Have a great night. Bye-bye.